Nosenshell. I mispronounced it. Matthew Nosenchuk. Maybe that's your last name. It doesn't matter. You're Matthew, and I know who you are. Look at me. I'm the captain of the love boat. Ouch. I'm the captain of the love boat. Everyone knows that. You know that. You were in the room when I got this hat. And that was the day Lee Eller, bringing him up, he can be in this video. That's the day I found that yellow highlighter hat, and he became Mr. Yellow Highlighter Man. It was so awesome. And then we had the dance boat party thing, and people copying my swag dance that I was making up on the spot. Um, I obviously know that you are going to IC because you have to go. Hey, if you don't go, me and Gilad are going to force you to go by tying you up, throwing you in a taxi, driving you to the airport, getting you on the plane, and throwing you into New Orleans. I'm not threatening you at all. I'm just telling you the facts. If you don't go to IC, me and Gilad are gonna get you. And we're gonna also get LeBron James to get you. He's gonna be like, yo, Matt, I'm gonna dunk you. Oh, if you don't go to IC, so you better go to IC. Oh. Yeah, you wanna know the truth? In the beginning of the trip, I was like, I'm not gonna like Matt. He's mean. But then I was like, you know what? Let's go in an open mind again. And then I was like, hey, this kid's kind of funny. And he's kind of really funny. And he's really nice. And you know, his name's Matthew. I was in shock. And this video's for him. Yeah. Like, I'm pretty sure I'm pretty good at keeping in touch with you. We should all applaud him on his good work. And he pulled off that Gagana uniform pretty well. Yeah. Also, you out of all three guys, you were probably the least annoying one. But I mean, I look back at it now, and I'm like, you guys weren't that annoying. I mean, sure, saying LeBron James every 15 minutes wasn't that annoying. Said no one ever. I mean, I like LeBron James, but it doesn't mean you have to say his name every 15 minutes. I think I only got bunked with you once. One time. And that was with me, you, Max Reddick, and Josh Samuels at Tel Aviv, I think. Earthquake. Yeah. That was a fun bunk. That's when I became the captain of the love boat. Wow. You know, next time I see you, I'm gonna have to bless you. It's gonna be like a... Ha, man. It's like, I'm gonna have to bless you. Ah. Yeah. You better guard this video with your life, Matt Nose and Chalk. I'll talk to you later, bro. Peace.